This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the right plane. In the right plane, I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 95 by 30 unit. Then I will start boss it to 40 unit. After that, from this top surface, we can see we have another rectangular type shape, and for drawing this rectangular shape we can see the total dimension of this rectangular shape is 90 unit, but the half dimension is 45 unit. So I will use the corner rectangle and draw a half rectangle here, and this half rectangle has a dimension of 45 by 50 unit. Then I will similarly draw half another rectangular profile like here, which is dimension of 45 unit by 50 unit. Okay, after drawing that rectangle we can see that we have a rectangular extrude cut and a semicircle here. Okay, for drawing this portion, I from this in this rectangle, okay, in this rectangle from this middle point I will draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 25 unit. And as you can see, the radius is 5 unit, so I'll draw a offset line of 5 unit here and offset line of another 5 unit here. And after drawing that two offset line, I will use the cap int and draw a circular profile here, and I will do similarly same things in this other portion also. After that, I will extrude cut it to through wall, and by doing extrude cut of this portion, I will extrude cut in this part, inner part also. Okay, after that we can see we have a chamfer here, here, and all the chamfer has a dimension of 10 by 45 degree. Okay, let me first do that sketch. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. Select the right plane here. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here, and draw a corner rectangle of dimension by 35 by and 30 by 95 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit, and extrude boss it from the mid plane. Okay, now press OK. So this extrude boss portion has been done. Now select this upper face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. You can draw the rectangle at a time, or you can draw differently. Okay, I'm drawing two rectangle. Okay, and the dimension is 50 by 45 unit, or you can use the center line, then draw two line and offset the two line, okay, as you want. So I'm drawing another rectangle of 55 unit by 45 unit. Now select the trim option and trim this middle line. Now press OK. Now after that, now isometric it for a better view, and this rectangle has a extrude boss of, we can see, 12 unit here. Okay, so we will extrude boss it to 12 unit. So go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, select contour, this contour and this all three contour to be extrude boss. Now select the blind from here. Now press OK. So this 12 extrude boss portion has been done. Now select this upper face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a center line here and place a center line here, and draw a center line of 25 unit. So this 25 unit center line has been drawn. Now select the offset interface and offset this line according to the radius. So radius is 5 unit. Okay, now select bidirectional. Now cap int. Now arc. Now press OK, and now select a center line here, and I will mirror this other portion here. So drawing a center line here, and after drawing the center line, select the mirror entities, and what we need to mirror, we need to mirror this slot portion. Okay, and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to. Now drag this arrow in lower. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done, and also this inner face extrude cut also done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to chamfer. It's time for chamfer, and this chamfer has a dimension of 10 by 45 units. So the default function is 10 by 45 unit also. Now select this corner and select this corner, and if you hover your mouse, you can see the back side of this that corner. You can click it or you can rotate here and also click it. Both function will allow you by selection of this line. Okay, so all the corner has been selected. Now press OK. So this chamfer has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have a circular profile, and this outer circular profile has a dimension of 60 diameter, and this circular profile has a distance of 140 unit. And after drawing the circular profile from this lower face, I will draw a center line here. I'll draw a line and tangent this circle to this line. Okay, after that I will draw another line here along the midline. Then I will trim this unnecessary line, and I'll draw, then I'll close this shape, and after closing this shape I will draw an inner Stuttgart circle, and this inner Stuttgart circle has a dimension of 25 unit. Then from the mid plane I will expose it to 15 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and see it. So I'm for the middle plane, I will say the right plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that zoom it and zoom out, drag here. Now select the circle and place the circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 60 diameter. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, and from this circle to this vertical line the total distance is 140 unit, or dimension to 140 unit. Okay, now select the line tool again and place the line here and draw a horizontal line. After drawing this horizontal line, select this circle and select this center line and make them tangent. Okay, now press OK. This portion has been done. Now select the line tool and draw a horizontal line along this center. Okay, this line has been also be drawn. Now again select the line and close this shape, and after closing this shape it's time for trimming. So I'm selecting the trim tools and trim this unnecessary curve that I don't need. Now press OK. Now select the circle tool and draw a inner Stuttgart circle, and this inner Stuttgart circle has a dimension of 25 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now Stuttgart this inner portion, and this Stuttgart portion has a dimension of 15 unit, and I will Stuttgart it from the mid plane. Okay, now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.